Welcome to this segment of classifying invertebrates, and particularly we are on insects. The presenter, you can actually see what is displayed on the screen. That is the presenter. We are going to mosquitoes. We want to look at different types of mosquitoes, and mosquitoes have three main types, of which we have Anopheles mosquitoes, we have Culex mosquitoes, and Aedes or tiger mosquito. Those are three main types of mosquitoes. We look at Anopheles mosquito, and we have female Anopheles mosquitoes. They do spread a protozoa that we call Plasmodia. So Plasmodia is a protozoan germ that is spread by infected female Anopheles mosquito, and that germ causes malaria in man. So infected female Anopheles mosquitoes spread a protozoan germ that we call Plasmodia, and it is that Plasmodia that causes malaria. We go to Culex mosquitoes. For them, they spread Filaria worms, and those Filaria worms cause elephantiasis. Someone suffering from elephantiasis would actually have legs big as those of an elephant. Aedes or tiger, they spread a virus. That's what they spread. This is the germ that causes dengue fever and yellow fever. We move to life history of mosquitoes. Adult mosquitoes lay eggs in stagnant water. Where do they lay eggs? They lay eggs in water that isn't moving. Then after 2 to 3 days, they hatch into larvae, and the larva of a mosquito scientifically is called wriggler. And they breathe through spiracle on the tail. They breathe through a spiracle on the tail end, and that part they use to breathe when they are larvae is what we call siphon. The larva develops into pupa, and the pupa breathes through trumpets. The breathing organs for larva, for pupa, are called trumpets. Then after 2 to 3 weeks, they just grow into an adult from pupa. These are diagrams, or it's a diagram showing the life cycle. We have Anopheline or Anopheles. This is the part for Anopheles. This is for Culex and tiger. We need to notice the difference. For eggs, just look at eggs. This is eggs for Anopheles, eggs for tiger, Aedes. But we need to master the arrangement of larvae when in water. For Anopheles, it lies parallel to water. It's the emphasis. It lies parallel to water. But for Aedes, it is almost perpendicular. There is a certain angle here, and it breathes through siphon. Master the organization of this larva for Aedes and tiger, and for Anopheles here. Then for pupa, you can see, then finally they will develop into adult Anopheles or adult Culex here. But master the arrangement of larvae for both Anopheles and tiger and Aedes. We got the difference between Anopheles and Culex. Eggs lay eggs in air float. We have seen eggs, they are in air float, they just float. Then for Culex, they are just in rafts, as if they're on top of water. Actually, the way they are positioned on top of water, they are like floaters, they are like rafts. Then the larva is parallel. I've stressed this, is parallel. And here the larva lies at a certain angle to the water when breathing. Adult lies in slopy position, and this one lies horizontally. We move to ways of controlling mosquitoes. We drain stagnant water because it's where they stay. We bury odd fins, we clear bushes. We should spray adult using insecticides. We should sleep under treated mosquito nets. We should keep fish in dams. This is a biological control. keep fish in dams to eat mosquito larvae. We close doors early. We apply repellents on the body on the body to drive away mosquitoes. Then burn mosquito coils to chase. We can chemically control by burning coils, mosquito coils. We plant trees or flowers that repel mosquitoes in compound. We have such trees that repel mosquitoes. We got butterflies and moths. They undergo complete, meaning they undergo 4 stages. A female lays eggs, then underside leaves. They are just positioned underside leaves. The larva spins a cocoon around itself and changes into pupa or chrysalis, which does not move. It will not move at one time. For pupa will not be moving. That's why we say it's the dormant stage. It doesn't move, neither does it eat. When the adult is fully grown, it breaks pupal case and comes out. Advantages: they help in pollination, or they pollinate farmers' crops. We get silk threads from them. Caterpillars eat in some societies eat caterpillars. Those are advantages of butterflies. Remember, caterpillar is the scientific name given to larva stage of a butterfly. It's a scientific name. Then disadvantages: caterpillar or the larva stage they do destroy our crops in the garden. Caterpillars has bristle hair, which they can use to burn and cause irritation, itching on wounds of the skin. Most caterpillars protect themselves by using prickly hair. They use prickly hair to protect themselves. We move to incomplete metamorphosis, and this is the stage where insects undergo 3. Have eggs, they will have from eggs they go to nymph. From nymph, they move direct to adults. The adult female lays eggs in soil, and those eggs will hatch into nymph, not to larva this time, but they will hatch into nymph. Then from nymph, they will grow into adult. You can see the life cycle of an American cockroach. I've taken the sample of a cockroach. This is an adult. An adult will lay eggs, then eggs will hatch direct into nymph. Examples of insects which undergo incomplete: cockroaches, we have grasshoppers, we have damask flies, we have bedbugs, termites, praying mantis, walking sticks, we have catidids, we have fleas, we have dragonflies, we have ants, then we have aphids. How do we care and protect vertebrates and invertebrates? Animals like humans, birds need care, and they need to be cared by trainable animals. You train animals which can be trained. Then you trick sick domestic animals and greenhouses where they stay. That's actually, it's mandatory and it's fundamental to clean areas where houses stay. We gazette areas for both domestic and wild animals as game parks and game reserves. Prevent extinction when and endangering animal species. Extinction is when animals are, you can hardly get an animal, you cannot get animal, and endangering is when you are starting, actually you are threatening lives, the numbers of animals in a gazetted area. Regular vaccination, we need to vaccinate when they are sick or to control internal parasites. We enforce strict laws to check on poaching and destruction of biodiversity, that is, variety of plants and animals.